Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey, and we are still working on the 101 Maple Street quilt by Sutton of Bunny Hill Designs. We are on chapter 5, all stacked up, and these are the fabrics I chose for my backgrounds right here. Anything you want to know about the fabrics, the pattern, making bias tape, how to use Heat Bond and Lite, transferring it on and appliquing it, that is all in video 1, and that will be linked in the description box below. We got everything ready ahead of time so that these blocks will go quickly. We've made our packets, and we just have some mushrooms and a quail this time. I will have some stitching to do in the umbrella and the legs, but this should be really easy and quick. So let me get the background cut up and I will be back. Okay, I have all the pieces cut out. This is what it's going to look like. Let me get it sewn together and I will be back. Okay, I have the background all finished. That's the bottom, but I need to turn it this way for me. Okay, so now we've got our things we need to iron onto our fabric. This is our umbrella. And I saw this and I thought that would make a great umbrella. Oops. You want the bumpy side on the wrong side of the fabric. This is the bird. Let's see, was it gonna... I just cut out the middle so that it wouldn't be so thick. I forgot to do that with the other stuff. And then the wing. And we've got, I think, 5 mushrooms. This is the large one. It's going to go over here. The other 4 will be at this side. Okay, 4 stems. This is part of the umbrella. This is part of the umbrella top. No, this is the quail's head. Okay. This is the umbrella stick. I think this is the top of the umbrella. And I think I'm missing, no I'm not, here it is. Just a minute, I didn't get a fabric for this. Okay, I think that's all the pieces. Let me get them cut up and I'll be back. Okay, the first thing I need to do is to put this bigger mushroom on, because then I have got to draw the legs and stitch them, and they go on top of the mushroom. Let's see. Okay, the coil will go something like here. So okay, we'll do that, and then we'll put the bird on and get the umbrella on, and then I've got to stitch lines in the umbrella, and then we can put the rest of the stuff on. So let's get to the sewing machine. Okay, I've got my machine on a triple stitch that goes 2 forward, 1 back, 2 forward, 1 back, so you end up with 3 stitches in each spot. Get rid of the ink. Dry it up a little. Okay. I've taken all the paper pieces off, so you didn't have to wait for me to do that. And the beak. Oh, I forgot that one. Just comes off real easy. Okay, I already need to lift that up. I forgot to put the umbrella . And there's the little top. I wish that curved up a little more. Pull it off a little. Okay. Okay, that's not going to show up. Do the friction pin. That's it's not even writing. Okay, this also says friction. It better be. Sorry, my hand's in the way, but I write with my left hand. Okay, and then with this point, we're just going to make a curve to the top. And then we're going to make a curve to this point. And that is our stitching. So let's get back to the sewing machine. Got to test this. I don't know if it goes forward twice first, back one, forward two, back one. So it goes back a stitch first. I need to know because the point is going to matter. Okay, that's done. Now we need to do our mushroom stack. And let's see. And they build up on each other. I'm going to move it over just a touch because of this, let's see, seam allowance. Okay. And they're supposed to be a little wobbly. Okay, that is all the pieces. Now we just need to applique. So back to the sewing machine. Okay, I'm going to start with the umbrella. I've got my zigzag on a width of 1.8 and a length of 80. Okay, that is how the applique is going to go. I will see you when I'm finished. Okay, here it is. The block is all finished. And I believe I double checked. I got everything. I forgot that I should have appliqued the mushroom first and then put the feet on. So what I did, because I didn't want the legs behind the applique. So I just went from here to here, stopped, started again here, and then went up to here so that I didn't go over the legs. So that was the only thing that I would have changed to doing. But thank you for staying with me this long. Next week, we are going to do Fox Hill. It looks like a really simple one. So I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.